no longer play. I turn my life around today. Start living for the day. I held on to hope. I thought I needed you now to mend my broken heart and figure out how I'm never gonna take this life by the reverse. However, I'm gonna get this maze of a curse. But goodbye. But goodbye. So guess the time has come to finally say goodbye. Trust that today there'll be a tear in each of my eyes. My heart's been broken and aching oh so long, repeating like a broken record stuck on a sad love song. Well, I came all this way today just to sing to you, so I can be free and move on like you. I don't have a guitar today, not even a microphone, and this is the best that I've got for you, and it goes something like this. Goodbye. Made your decision and you don't wanna try. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Don't let those tears fall down from the floodgates in your eyes. Goodbye, goodbye. Can we try one more time? This time with no more lies. Goodbye, goodbye. Have a future ahead. We can change like dragonflies. Times that I've relived this death, 'cause I woke up that very morning without you on my breath, and I told myself I couldn't take another until the day you came back, and I didn't realize you left forever. It's my life now that I lack, but I swear to you I'd die again, or maybe a million more, just to have that feeling of seeing you walk through my door. And again I'd see that smile on your face I remember all so well, and suddenly I'd realize it was with every day that I died. But goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. You've made your decision and you don't wanna try. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Can we try one more time? This time with no more lies. Goodbye, goodbye. Don't let those tears fall down from the floodgates in your eyes. Goodbye, don't cry. We have a future ahead, and we can change our lives. Goodbye. Hope along got the Turn the record